some Ford trucks like mine, F-150 2017, there is a little latch down inside of here. I don't really think you can see it with the camera, but it's over here. And it's a little hard to pull, but I did it. So by doing that, I'll show you the latch when it's open. The whole seat can come down. I guess you have to pull this handle and then it comes down. So the purpose of this is that you can see underneath the seat, there's a lot of storage. And I use it, but there's actually even more storage behind the seat. So this is what it looks like. It's all emptied out, cleaned out for the moment. As you can see behind the seat, there's a whole universe of space that's not being used. Look at all that. Now part of it is this storage. You can see my hand coming through, but I could fit a lot of stuff back there. Maybe some toe straps and bungees, some tools. It's kind of semi-secret, I guess. So maybe it would keep some things safe. I don't know. So the thing that has to change is this little mechanism here, right here. This is the little latch. If I reset it, it's locked. Unlocked. It's really not that hard, but it's kind of a hassle. So I have this device from BuiltRight Industries that we're going to install. Okay, so this is the stuff from BuiltRight. Came in a nice box, and set it down here. I ordered a number 30, I think it is, T-30 Torx, and it's just a bracket, custom metal bracket, nice, solid, nicely engineered, and a strap. And the strap, this plastic thing, is what goes into that little latch I showed you. And all you have to do is pull it, and the strap from the top of the seat, and then we can get to the storage in the back more easily. This is the one people say they drop, and I guess it could fall down into the upholstery. Not lose that. And that's the whole thing. It's got a little slot here that goes into a hole. I'll show you that when I put it back on. So my understanding is that you want to have this up, the seam. We're going to pass this through the slot, and this is what we're going to pull on when we want to actually open the seat. And then theoretically it won't fall back down. See that? Over the top. See how nice and matched up that is? See that? Now this thing needs to be in the middle. Looks like it snugs right on there. See that? I'm going to give it a pull. It snaps right on. There. So now, just to demonstrate what it's supposed to do, if this is locked, you pull on this guy and you're good to go. So they recommend a little bit of space, so you want to give it a little bit of room so it's not too tight right here, so that it has a little bit of a little room to move. But you see how nice it fits in there? Pretty nice little device. I'll show you that one more time. Locked. Unlocked. There's a little slot right here that matches up with this nub that sticks out. So you got to just be sure to get that in there. And it's there, nice and snug. You can see the holes are lined up again. And we're just going to put the screws back in there. You need enough space so that this piece right here needs to clear this little bump. See that? And if you don't, it doesn't snap down. But I repositioned it so that when I engage it, it actually clicks on its like freely. Hear that? And you can see there's a little bit of play here where that nub, there's a protrusion right here. A little hard to see, a bump. But it looks like it's working great. On, off. That's it. Okay, so now that it's installed, we need to mess with this bracket. And this thing slides up and down. And my understanding is that once you have it in place, you don't have to release the front seat anymore and it should line up. So I think you want it to be down, and we'll see if that is in the right spot. I have to undo the latch, and this hopefully will hit in the right spot. And it did. So now I believe I can have the, see how it moves a little bit up and down. The seat itself lifts. So it's engaged. Here's my little pull tab right here. And so just pull that, access to the back. They included a release right here. This side has one. And it comes down real easy. I could open that too. However, there's no space behind it, so it's really not that helpful. To get this to go down, I need to release the seat, pull the strap, disengage, down it goes.